for me Sansu will be a call back from Kupasa Bay and Casa TV. Say your first time, kindly add your subscription, your likes, your comments, and please make sure you're going to share videos to a lot of people. February Musubunya, Air so away my Ganamasi. So when you say in Casa TV, I am some Laberto media and so on. I just see they draw war, Abu Pepe. Nasisiano, Sama Air Cosunina, NDC, young as a chairman, MPP chairman. For Ashanti region, it was for chairman Wontumi and I didn't want about me. Nani semina ever court as CIA can sema enya simke to a CI before nemu FI before nemu, which is a IGP nini kikaho. Nini na kwada nche. NDC for any abroad mu yidi say we the yenti as chairman. I was a when kwade uko prison. Was a kwatoka. Prison, no one somewhere because you've done a whole lot of things. Actually, say Ghana, my since I do be chairman from Ghana, I'm say pencil and I'm more excavated, say and I'm excavated. I will say I will wasi too good. I'm be anti me nyame. Just say Munukwa and NDC force chairman Wontumi etikuma say be odi. Na sisi ano NDC for penny for ni be air treating her ladyship say Mama Judge. When I was not kunyum, when I was baby boy for, when I was baby boy bentin, if I know the force so deep, well, and a shower, sir. But this time around, party, yen jawo, Emma, when you're the open wakunya kissing. In table for, they are threatening her ladyship, say, or making sure the judgments no, they were matching my noon to me. Pepe ne kwan so on be bu intention bia e wo baby a emba ya o since o MPP ni kese de obema miskedi ni ade de be never so ade we de o mo share any mu na insinti no her ladyship NDC force me man to say make sure say judgments now be man you are not going to be biased obema judgments no said yes city in SMP e ka we hu e na NDC for mpeni for e dia tija ama chairman Wontumi ho nsema egu montenzo a e wo court me person me say obrebe no kame ho na ye mienu na ye mbom ni kuti nsema hodo a e koso e wo media ne so about chairman Wontumi e case no but answer na no say dey me sure kan no me sure say obe subscribe to Casa TV. Make sure you are going to like, you comment, and please share our videos to a lot of people. Don't forget, click on the notification button for more news updates.
I've taken hold of your ruling. I'm going to digest it legally. And one can subject like I only say my bang. Now we need prices. Doing the I want a lot of prices. Do now a year. Because you know. So you're really Lampa is going to subject it to legal scrutiny. You must be that time. I'll subject and I'll punch holes. And I'll educate Ghanaians say in law judges be judgment. Your judgment are 80% discretionary. Judge power say ma Wontumi grante on power say so I know about dismiss I say bail is a discretionary and discretion it based on so many factors. So that one is a subject matter that I will deal with it. Your ruling I'm going to take it one by one and punch holes, and I think say if I'm part of the Wontumi legal team they should go on appeal. Because normally I don't trust judges judges who do cases for the first time. No, most of the times I call judges normally back and people back don't manage pressure on the show and bullying on the show. There are so many things, and I will tell you how this my sister Audrey have come under attack, political bullying from the NDC camp. I'll produce evidence on this platform. The bullying that the trial judge of Wontumi case go through politically, there is pressure. All the investigations. The Attorney General is struggling to prosecute and get conviction, and there is mounting pressure on the trial judge to jail Wontumi. But the law will speak. But the judge, whether he can stand the pressure or not, you know. So that's why I'm saying that when one judge, at the Assembly High Court, because of the pressure of some of the judges, you go to High Court, thre. we go to Supreme Court 5. Into that, it take pressure. No, we have so many cases. High Court judges dealing here. That court appeal abogu. It being a 240 case. No, the judge out there at 240 case. No, also came under political pressure to jail at 240, and at 240 took the matter to the court appeal, and then he succeeded. And no pay. Also, animal farm judges, animal farm judges here. I brought young expandai. So most of the times the judges of first instance, I call judges, no, most of them cannot stand the political pressure coming from politicians, the threats, and then they also have what to do the bidding of the governor of the day for promotion. We have situations whereby animal judge, no. Animal judge, so most of the times, no, some of our high court judges, no, politically they cannot stand the pressure, and they don't want to be. Because if you have a president who is capable of removing, who has removed the chief justice, who is Audrey, that's the problem that my sister is facing. But the reality is that if Audrey, the leadership, tonight I'm addressing you, if you sit down as a judge and you allow contemptuous matters, people precisely the case that before you, I'm not for threatening, I'm not for a girl, I'm not for making statements, making your court look very, very predictable. Then you open yourself up for political attack. And I'm not comfortable because there is an NDC communicator. Whilst you were sitting in the Wontumi case, you know, before the submission of the case was filed, no, this communicator has this message for you. Now, producer, communicator.
Case idea actually. It's serious, right? The speed that you use here in jailing some of these people, you should use the same speed in jailing, other, politicians. The Galam says, and I'm very confident on your program beyond reasonable doubt. And me, Ibrahim Ali Amitihi. If within the coming, months, the current Ashanti regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party, say Abaya Timi and Kanasem ye, and for no uncommon and jailina. I state on your bigger platform, say me, Ibrahim Ali, I will resign from the National Democratic Congress.
That's a strong statement.
Oh, yes, and I mean it.
It's in court.
Yes, you see.
And then run a back.
Yes, you see, they are hasting slowly.
We have had cases.
Yes.
Yes. And with evidence, Attorney General be put forward in
evidence. So
the statement you are making is very strong.
It's profound. You see, I'm saying this because I know what I'm talking about, and I have already done my own investigation, and I'm Chairman Wontumi is guilty. Even though the courts, the competent court of jurisdiction, yes, I won't go in the detail. But I think that it is important so because as somebody by a Martin Pebu Martin Pebu solid evidence.
But there are so many galam say yes, a wukru penny for a shas, Mampeni Kayana or opposition. They are big men reports.
We are here domusoko.
Okay.
Yes, I can assure you, say currently, the docket chairman want to make case idea actually. How many months in it? How many years in it? Multimedia the seconds actually be because of say wako hands. You see, we should be serious.
Right.
The speed that you use here in jailing some of these people, you should use the same speed in jailing. The Galam says, and I'm very confident on your program beyond reasonable doubt. And me, Ibrahim Ali Amitihi. If within the coming, months, the current Ashanti regional chairman of the New Patriotic Party, say Abaya Timi and Kanasem ye, and for no uncommon and jailina. I state on your bigger platform, say me, Ibrahim Ali, I will resign from the National Democratic Congress.
That's a strong statement.
Oh, yes, and I mean it.
It's in court.
Yes, you see.
And then run a back.
Yes, you see, they are hasting slowly.
We have had cases.
Yes.
Yes. And with evidence, Attorney General be put forward in evidence. So the statement you are making is very strong.
It's profound. You see, I'm saying this because I know what I'm talking about, and I have already done my own investigation, and I'm here very convinced beyond reasonable doubt to say Chairman Wontumi is guilty. Even though the courts, the competent court of jurisdiction, yes,
no, listen to this. I'm saying this because I know what I'm talking about. That's the statement. I am saying this because I know what I'm talking about. This is an NDC party communicator. Chairman to be case for court. The case is pending. Try a koso. Evidence has been led. Chairman to me is exercising the right and has filed submission of no case. Before judgment, never ban. When we are NDC party communicator, and your communicator or your executive member now sits on air and said that Wontumi, he knows what he's talking about because of what? If you see, when someone say I know what I'm talking about, no, what kind of arrangement or pressure have you put on the judge? This statement was made before Judge Nuruli on submission of no case. So you could see from what the NDC people are saying, before Chairman Wontumi went to court, the Attorney General produced statements, the NDC communicators, and this boy statements, you know, clearly shows that the judge there have no option. Ladyship has no option than to judge Chairman Wontumi because he knows what he's talking about. And if this statement can be made, and ladyship, you are comfortable and quiet as a judge, I'm playing this thing to be on evidence. I'm going to send a petition to the Attorney General office that if this guy is not cited for contempt of court, if this guy is not jailed for making those judicial statements and criminal, quasi-criminal statements, a criminal statement like he knows what he talk about, and the judge have no option than to judge Chairman Wontumi. If not, he will resign, and he knows what he's talking about. Then why should the trial go on? Why should Chairman Wontumi go to court?
Reserves. So reserves now one. And yes, a good demo say was some no say bosumu. A sika would ye see say yes. Asem toa and I say umuchrewa obekwa akofa dia ye bibi. So ultima say. Yes. It is our reserves no. MPP4 connect $9 billion approximately. And by the end of 2025.
Dollar reserve no.
No. Gold can you can reserves are above or dollars or gold and other because the reserves na yesika, but you can keep it in different assets. Okay. So it can be in gold, okay. It can be in dollars, it can be in other things. What one major na say? So Ninina na 8.9 and the MPP and the NDC by the end of 2025 a 13 point something ya make was $1 billion. Yeah. But our reserves net down. It be a good.